That's about the commodity space and the moves in the Bitcoin market. But Gillette is the other stock on our radar. It's surging in trade after reporting its Q2 numbers. Mangalam is here with the details and the internals. Mangalam.
Well, the last many quarters, the company has been on a steady expansion of their portfolio, premiumization, increasing their distribution. It's now beginning to show in results, even if the trends suggest that people are preferring beards more than a clean-shaved look. So you have 17% revenue growth that has come by on Gillette. Benign steel prices have actually aided their gross margins along with premiumization. The EBITDA has jumped 38%, and as a result of which the net profit has actually seen a surge of 43%. Remember, the EBITDA margin expansion from 20% to close to 24.5% has actually been diluted by their oral care business. Grooming business, which includes the razors, etc., saw 23% revenue growth. There the EBIT growth was 67%, near 850 basis points margin expansion out there. On the oral care side, there was a near 600 basis points margin dilution. So that's why, it was diluted. The core business, the grooming business, has done extremely well, led by increasing distribution, female grooming range, and increased traction in premium products as well. Remember, last month itself, the company had held an analyst meet, and they said that they've increased their distribution by 1.5 times over the last 3 years. Margins have improved by both cost savings and premiumization. Male grooming, which is a 33 billion rupee category, is growing fairly well, and they've had the highest ever market share that they've had in their business itself. On the female grooming part, Venus has doubled sales in the last 5 years and now contributes double digits to the company's grooming sales. So that's another important growth driver coming in. And they expect mid-single digit growth in oral care to continue, led by some of the lower end electronic toothbrushes, etc., that they're launching. So oral care is something more of a second half story, but grooming is doing extremely well, largely because of the drivers that they've put in place over the last many quarters.
Thank you very much for that. But let's get back to